Oh, ting fnooze ama something. 2 times as nice when you pay the right price. West side 2, 3 where I reside. If you let the flow decide, I'm better than your top 5, top 1%. Skinny nigga jumping over the fence. Niggas feeling tense when I step in the ring. Bitches wet they pants when I start to sing. Put you in a trance. I can make you dance. I can make you cry. Make you wanna tell the truth. Make you wanna lie. Shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, ya, shimmy, yeah. I don't wanna rap. I'm doing y'all a favor. I don't wanna dap, I know I'm hard, okay? Cause if we talking raps, then I got bars for days. I'm feeling dark today, wonder what a guy could say. Cause I'm leading the flock astray. Regardless of the fact that I'm logical, I think it's common knowledge. I lead the beat, daily departed. Shit is kinda retarded. Find me chilling in the garden, meditating and farming. The fact that I'm this calm should be alarming. Tell me how it feels, Jordan City, the eyes are revealed in Swanaville, but the flow is Mazanville. I'm kinda ill, skinny, I eat a lot of meals. Yo, what's the deal, homie? Niggas think I'm up with Chezzy money, nigga, that's petty money, not even my steady money. I'm on the bigger things, I get my city out of gang, drugs and all the little things. Like getting money ain't about the designer things, and you will always go it out when you're not within, homie. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
That's the mic.
oh my god, I have hit the skinny.